transposing an equation, rearranging the formula. We have the inverse rules. From plus goes to subtraction, from multiplication goes to division. Now go to question 1. Y equals x plus 6. We try to make x the subject of the formula, so we carry the plus 6 across the equal sign to get negative 6. The equation now reads y minus 6 is equal to x. Now go to equation 2. Y is equal to 5x. Want to make x the subject of the formula, so you take the multiply 5 and divide, carry across the equation sign, you get divide by 5. So therefore, the equation reads x is equal to y over 5. We now go to example 3. Y is equal to 3x minus 7. We want to make x the subject of the formula. So we take in the negative 7 and carry it across the equation equal sign, we get plus 7. So the equation reads y plus 7 equals 3x. The 3 is a multiplication sign on the right hand side of the equal sign, so you carry it across the equal sign. So you get y plus 7 over 3 is equal to x. Now this is a practice question for you to attempt. Now you can pause the video and attempt this question and then press that play and then you will see the solution. We want to make x the subject of the formula, so we take in negative 2, carry it across the equal sign, you get plus 2. Y plus 2 is equal to 4x. Now multiply by 4, you get across the equal sign, you get y plus 2 divided by 4 is equal to x. Now go to example 4. 6 minus x equals 15. You want to make x the subject of the formula, so you take in the plus 6 from the left hand side and carry it across the equal sign, you will get minus 6. Therefore, minus x is equal to 9. Now the coefficient of x is minus 1. So you want to take the multiply minus 1, carry it across the equal sign, so you get 9 divided by minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 9. We now go to example 5. X minus p over a is equal to d. We want to make x the subject of the formula, so we take in the divide by a on the left hand side, get across the equal sign, so we multiply by a. We still have x on this side, so we want to take the minus p from the left hand side, carry it across the equal sign, so you get plus p. Therefore, the equation reads x is equal to dA plus p. We now go to example 6. Ax plus bx equals q. We want to make x the subject of the formula, so we need to factorize. Put an x in the outside brackets, and inside brackets put an a plus b, and making that equals to q. We want to get rid of the a plus b, so as I multiply, it will be divide, across the equal sign will be a divide on the next side. Therefore, the equation reads x is equal to q divided by a plus b. We now go to example 7. Jx is equal to p plus qx. We want to group all the x's together on one side, so we take the plus qx, carry it across the equal sign, you get minus qx. Jx minus qx is equal to p. We now factorize, get x open brackets, j minus q is equal to p. We want x is subject of the formula, so we take in the multiply j minus q, carry it across the equal sign, it will be divided by j minus q. Therefore, the equation reads x is equal to p divided by j minus q. We now go to example 8. Y squared is equal to x squared plus 2as. We now have a little change in the inverse. X squared is transposed to root of x. Back to the equation. X squared is equal, since it's a plus 2as, you get across the equal sign, you get a minus 2as. X squared is equal to y squared minus 2as. Now we're taking this square x on this side, and you have to get across the equal sign, you will get a square root. So therefore the equation reads x is equal to the square root of y squared minus 2as. We have now come to the end of transposition. Now you know how to transpose. Good luck in your studies and exams.